What if the greatest editing is the one nobody sees?
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, bro! Explain to them.
We'll talk about that when I get back from school. The director gets the praise, the actor often gets remembered, the cinematographer sometimes are admired, but the editors always work in shadows. Have you ever watched a movie and asked who edited this? No, but if you have, let me know in the comments. Editing isn't about clicks, it's about connection. When I just started editing, I wanted people to notice my flashy transitions, cuts, effects, but it was just a mess. Just like I always say, less is more. One of the most fascinating things about editing is that it burns time. In reality, this process might take up to 3 hours, but in the video it's just 10 seconds. Editors have a strange power. We can turn hours into seconds, days into minutes, and we can also skip the most boring part of life and keep only what matters. Every story that made you laugh, think, or feel something was shaped by an editor, yet most of the time you never notice, and that's the strange thing about editing. The better it is, the less you see it. The audience doesn't sit here counting counts. They don't admire any trim on the timeline. They're only following a story, and emotion, or a feeling. Editing isn't mostly what we add, editing is mostly what we leave behind. Not every moment needs to stay, not every mistake needs to define us, and I think life works the same way. Keep what matters and remove irrelevances.